I joined you idiots today. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechWhat Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing Thursday. I'm frustrated. All right, so what happened was I shorted Tesla, and I did this within my live trading session. I was up $4,000. If you could see by my P&L right now, I'm up less than 1,000. So what happened? Well, I bought the dip. And the dip kept dipping, right? And this is the part that just pisses me off, so I just thought I'd recap a video. You guys know that I've been waiting to short Tesla. I've been waiting to short Tesla ever since this rally started, and I've been shorting it the past 2 to 3 days. Yesterday I made 9,500. The day before that I made like 8,000, 7,000, something like that. So I've been doing pretty good. And man, today, let me explain. So in today's live trading session, if you're part of LPP, you can feel free to go watch it. I had a short that I carried overnight, and then I closed out the short pre-market. I was up like $2,000. I then waited for Tesla to become overbought. This was within the live session. And then as it began to get rejected, I added more to my short. For those that do not know, when you short a stock, you make money as it sells off. And as it began to sell off, it came back to retest same previous support. So then I bought to cover. I was playing it safe. I was up $4,000. And like an idiot, right? Like I've been waiting for the past 5 trading days for Tesla to sell off so I can really short it. And of course, I decide to then go long, test EMA, and I'm like, hey, like market's looking a little bearish today. It's looking a little weak. I probably should close out this long position, right? So buying low to sell high. I thought that it was going to, just like last time, bounce here right around 324 and then go back to previous highs of nearly 330. Boy, was I wrong. It got rejected at EMA, and within that live session, I said, hey, it looks like it's almost getting rejected. Maybe I should close it out. Didn't close it out. It ends up getting rejected. Should have cut losses there. Didn't cut losses there. Ended up selling off more. Gave me hope. Lower highs, lower lows. More. I mean, that within itself, if I would have just kept that short, another 2%. Again, if I'm in with $200,000, that would have been another $4,000. I would have been up, 8K on the day, 8 to 9K. I would have been nearly at $10,000 already for the day. And then if Tesla began to show signs of a recovery, then I could have gone long. But a very simple mistake that I made today. I wanted to catch every single move. I had a focus. The past 5 days, I've had one focus: to short Tesla. And it's presenting itself like it's truly bearish. Lower highs, lower lows, like direction is in my favor to short. But I got greedy. And I don't even want to call it greedy. I feel like that word is overused. I began to overtrade. I saw that it was testing previous support. I then was like, okay, let me go long and then try to make money as it recovers and then close it and then go short again. Why do I feel the need to try to catch every leg down and every leg up? Like it is so pointless. And because of that, the more times that you open a trade, the more likely you are to take a bad trade and give some of those gains back. And I wanted to use myself as an example. So although, again, I'm still in the green, I think it's really important as a trader to always look back and be like, what could I have done better? And the reason I want to emphasize this is a lot of you guys know that a lot of these trading platforms are now offering overnight trading, meaning that you can trade beyond normal trading hours and beyond normal extended trading hours. And this is absolutely insane. This is really going to, in my opinion, hurt a lot of beginner traders because now there truly isn't a limit on when you need to stop. And this is why it's so important as a trader that if a trade truly doesn't meet your criteria, if you see that you are just taking a trade because you can, not because you should, then it's simply a trade not worth actually taking advantage of. So again, wanted to use myself as an example. I still think big picture that Tesla has huge downside potential. I want to short the living bejeebers out of Tesla, as I think that it could retrace all the way back down to the moving average, sub 300, easy, no question about it, as all the hype begins to fade. And that's what I've been waiting for. But as of right now, it is showing signs of consolidation. I'll see if we get a nice little run up to the moving average. But if it ends up making new lows and breaks below 315 as my cut losses, that's where I'll close out the short and then or close out the long and then prepare to enter short if Tesla is still selling off. Be very, very careful. There is a meeting today from the Federal Reserve, if I'm not mistaken, so we could see a quick change of direction. So I just wanted to make sure that I highlight that. And also, again, for all those that are watching that you're like, well, what live trading session are you talking about? I trade live every morning, and within these live sessions, you get to see all of my good trades and all of my bad trades, like the ones I made today. It's very useful for someone that's just getting started to be able to see this. And if you ever want to tune on in, it's the second link in the description down below. You can literally sign up for LPP and it breaks down to just $1 a day for the current sale we have going on. It's a one-time payment, lifetime access. It's designed for complete beginners. And yes, it also comes with the A to Z video lesson library. So if you know nothing about the market, not only do you get the lesson library, but you also get access to the live trading session. If you want to learn more about it, second link in the description down below. And if so, I'll see you tomorrow at Market Open for our live session. Take care, team.